After adding the Side Study for Teachers add-on to Google Docs, you can access it by going under the Add-ons menu, choosing Side Study for Teachers, and choosing Side Study. When it loads, it will appear in a panel on the right-hand side of the screen. It will demonstrate and display that it is the free plan. If you are interested in upgrading, there is information you can click on to subscribe, which is a $10 plan. I can select free, and that will bring me to the next part of the panel, which is setting up the assignment. There are several different things that you can do in setting up an assignment in Side Study for Teachers. One is to set the general parameters of the assignment. You would display your name as the teacher that students will see, give the assignment a name, and then below that give instructions for the students to follow. Below that, you can control the format of the document. You can choose the page layout and the margins as well. Below the format section, there's document student text. That's where you can control the format of how the text appears on the screen in the document, as for the font size, the type of font, and the color. And you can also control the student text, the font size, the type of font, and the color as well. And you can also include the styling effects of bold or italic or underline. Below the document student text section are the options. This is where you can set your specifics for this type of assignment. You can choose whether to allow peer review, whether to create flashcards, whether to use multiple choice questions. If choosing multiple choice, you have the options of including immediate grading or grade after finishing assignment. You also have the option to show the correct answer to the students after it's been graded. The last one in this section is question feedback, where you can choose to provide immediate feedback to students or feedback after the student has finished the assignment. The last section when setting up an assignment is video playlist. You have the ability to include a playlist of videos such as what would be available on YouTube. You can include a URL as well as a video title. Setting this up is fairly simple. However, there are so many options with Side Study that I highly recommend that you use the tutorials that go along with the add-on. You can access them by clicking on the menu in the upper right corner of the Side Study panel. And you have many different options, how-to videos, as well as an introductory video up at the top.